Hello and welcome back to Act 3. Today we'll explore the script editor, also known as the director page. This is one of the main parts of Act 3, and it brings together the tools you need to manage and produce your project. Let's begin by opening a project. The Projects page displays a list of your available projects. When you select a project, Act 3 opens it directly in the director. The director page contains all the important details of the project. These include the timeline, prompts, previews, sets, the primary human script, and other production tools. First, let's look at the navigation area. At the top of the page, you can see the Act 3 logo, the option to return to the previous page, the navigation controls, your available credits, and your rollover bank balance. The File menu contains several import and export options. You can import a script or export the current script in multiple formats, including plain text and FDX. You can also export project videos. A video can be exported for an individual shot, or you can export the complete project as a single video. The File menu also includes an option to import a human script. Both script import options follow a similar process. Next is View Project Details. This option displays the main information associated with the current project. The Edit Project Details option allows you to update the project's name and any other editable information. You can also edit the project's characters. In this example, the project contains 5 characters. You can select and update any of them when required. The Plan and Credits area displays information about your current plan, paid subscription, and available credits. Next is Edit Set. A set represents the background or location in which the characters and action appear. You can use this option to update the project's set information. The Outline menu allows you to show or hide acts, beats, and B-roll. You can upload B-roll by first selecting a shot and then dragging and dropping a video into the appropriate area. After uploading it, enable the B-roll display option to view it. This project does not currently contain B-roll, but this is where it would appear. Now, let's look at the Insert menu. The Outline option in this menu allows you to add items such as acts, beats, scenes, shots, and sets. Select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu to add it to the project outline. Next is the View menu. From here, you can show or hide cinematography information in the script. The director uses 3 main columns. The View menu allows you to enable or disable these columns based on what you need to see. You can also show or hide cinematography details and sets. Visual Debug provides a technical view of the project. It displays background information such as different project versions and the assets used in the project. The Storyboard panel displays the storyboards created for the project and its shots. The Image Builder provides an AI chat interface that can help you create or edit a shot's first frame image. The Theme menu allows you to change the appearance of the director. You can choose options such as the dark theme or your system's default theme. Now let's look at the timeline. Different colors show the current status of each shot. Blue indicates that a shot has not started. The queued or generating state uses its own status color. Green means that generation is complete, while red indicates an error. B-roll is represented by a different shade of blue. Gray means that the shot is not included in the final video, and purple indicates that the shot is locked. These colors make it easier to understand the status of every shot at a glance. Next, let's review the controls available for an individual shot. You can lock a shot directly from its navigation menu. You can also add a scene to the shot or remove a scene that was previously added. The menu includes an option to download a Blender file. You can also edit the shot or open shot details to view more information. The voice acting option allows you to provide your own voice recording by uploading an audio file for the shot. You can also create an acting request. This lets you request a specific performance or action for the character using Act 3's acting tools. The Include in Final Video option determines whether the shot will appear when the entire project is exported. You can include or exclude individual acts, beats, scenes, or shots from the final video. Controls are also available at the scene level. If you are satisfied with a scene and do not want it to be changed, you can lock it from the script. The production tools allow you to generate videos for the project. You can also use auto trim. AI-generated videos sometimes contain unwanted filler footage. Auto trim helps remove those unnecessary sections. The replace speech option allows you to keep the same dialogue while replacing the existing voice with a different one. You can select the default model used for video generation. You can also choose a default quality level for future generations. The documentation option opens the Act 3 wiki, where you can find more detailed information about the director and its features. Now, let's explore the 3 main panels in the director. Each panel includes a drop-down menu that allows you to change the content displayed in that position. The available views include Preview and Sets, Prompts, Sets and Locations, the Cinematography and Graphic Director, the Outline, and the Primary Human Script. By default, the first panel displays Preview and Sets. The second panel displays Prompts, and the third panel displays the Primary Human Script. Let's begin with Preview and Sets. This panel can display the generated video, the first frame, the last frame, and the storyboard, if one has been created. You can view custom set information here as well. The custom set prompt is used to generate the set itself, rather than the video. You can increase the size of the video preview by selecting a zoom level, such as 100 or 200%. You can also open the video in full screen mode. Next is the prompt panel. Before generating a video, you first need to generate its prompt. Seedance is currently selected as the default model, so the panel displays a Seedance prompt. If a prompt and video have already been generated, they will also appear here. To create a new prompt, select the required shot and choose the option to generate a prompt for that shot. After the prompt has been generated, you can review the first frame references and other images used by the prompt. In this example, several reference images are attached, and each one contributes to the generated result. You can then choose the required generation settings and start generating the video. Once generation begins, the process may take some time to complete. Below the prompt, you can manage additional references. You can upload reference images that you want the model to use when creating the shot. You can also add reference audio and reference video for the generation of an individual shot. Now, let's look at the primary human script. This panel contains the complete script for the entire project. You can copy the full script at once. You can also import a new script. Selecting this option opens the script import page, although we will not explore that page in this video. The complete script can also be exported in different file formats. If you have script text stored on your clipboard, you can paste it directly into this panel. The History option allows you to review changes and see who has edited the script. If the human script and the video timing do not match after an edit, select Sync to synchronize the script details with the video. These are the 3 panels shown in the default director layout. Now, let's look at the other available panel views. First is Sets and Locations. This section is used to create and manage the backgrounds or locations where each shot takes place. The related set prompt is displayed here when one has already been created. Next is the Cinematography and Graphic Director. This section contains a chat window that can help you edit the first frame and perform other actions using AI. It works like a conversational assistant for different image and production tasks. The Cinematography and Graphic Director also displays the actions selected for the shot, along with camera angles and rendering information. You can see which characters are being used in the video and add a new character when necessary. You can also open each character to view more details. After a video has been generated, its duration is displayed here. The Director Input area allows you to define character actions, including motion capture acting instructions. You can submit an acting request for the selected shot. The Shotcast section displays the characters assigned to the shot and the outfits selected for them. Use this area to confirm that each character has the correct appearance. Finally, let's open the outline. The outline displays the complete structure of the project, including its acts, beats, scenes, and shots. You can add a new act, beat, scene, or shot from this panel. You can also delete an item by selecting its Delete option. To add a new shot beneath an existing item, use the option to insert a shot below it. You can edit an outline item to rename an act, beat, scene, or shot. That concludes our overview of the outline and the main features available on the Act 3 Director page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.